Sheep wool harvesting is a vital practice in modern agriculture, providing a sustainable and versatile resource. Wool is valued for its natural insulation, durability, and biodegradability, making it an essential material for clothing and textiles. Efficient processing of wool ensures high quality products and supports the livelihoods of farmers. By optimizing harvesting techniques, producers can maximize yield while maintaining animal welfare. The continued importance of wool highlights its role in both traditional and contemporary agricultural systems. Sheep breeds vary widely in their suitability for wool production, with certain types prized for the quality and quantity of their fleece. Merino sheep, for example, are renowned globally for their fine, soft wool, making them a top choice in regions with temperate climates. In colder areas, breeds like the Romney and Lincoln are favored for their long, durable fibers that provide warmth and resilience. Each breed possesses unique characteristics, such as fiber diameter, staple length, and adaptability to local conditions, which influence their regional suitability. Understanding these distinctions helps farmers select the best breeds for their environment and desired wool quality. Preparing sheep for shearing involves careful consideration of several important factors. Timing is crucial, as shearing is typically done in late spring or early summer to ensure sheep are comfortable during warmer months. Before shearing, it's essential to conduct thorough health checks, looking for signs of illness or injury that could complicate the process. Having the right equipment, such as well-maintained shearing tools and clean holding pens, helps ensure efficiency and safety for both the sheep and the shearer. Proper preparation not only improves wool quality, but also supports the overall well-being of the flock. Shearing begins by gently securing the animal to minimize stress and movement. Skilled shearers use specialized tools, working methodically to remove the fleece in one piece while avoiding nicks or cuts to the skin. Throughout the process, attention is paid to the animal's comfort, with frequent pauses if needed. The fleece is handled carefully to prevent contamination, preserving its quality for processing. By following these techniques, both the welfare of the animal and the integrity of the wool are maintained. After shearing, it is crucial to handle wool with care to maintain its quality. Avoid placing the fleece on dirty or damp surfaces, as this can introduce contaminants and moisture that may damage the fibers. Store freshly shorn wool in breathable containers, such as burlap sacks, which allow air circulation and help prevent mold growth. Keep the wool in a cool, dry area away from direct sunlight and strong odors, as wool can easily absorb smells. Regularly inspect stored wool for signs of pests or moisture to ensure its integrity is preserved until further processing. Wool grading and sorting are essential processes that determine the quality and value of raw wool. Grading involves assessing characteristics such as fiber diameter, length, strength, and color. Finer, longer, and more uniform fibers are considered higher quality and fetch a premium price in the market. Sorting separates wool into different categories based on these qualities, ensuring that each batch meets specific industry standards. By carefully identifying and classifying wool, producers can maximize its market value and ensure it is suited for various end uses, from luxury garments to durable textiles. Wool washing and scouring are essential steps in preparing raw wool for further processing. These methods focus on removing impurities such as grease, dirt, and vegetable matter that are naturally present in fleece. The process typically involves immersing the wool in water with detergents or specialized solutions to break down and lift away contaminants. Effective washing not only cleans the fibers, but also helps preserve their natural qualities, ensuring the wool is ready for spinning or dyeing. By carefully selecting the appropriate techniques, manufacturers can maintain the integrity and value of the wool throughout its transformation. Carding and combing are essential techniques used to align wool fibers before spinning. Carding involves passing the wool through wire brushes, which separates and straightens the fibers while removing impurities. Combing goes a step further, arranging the fibers in parallel and eliminating shorter strands for a smoother, more uniform texture. These processes not only enhance the quality of the wool, but also make it easier to spin into yarn. By preparing the fibers in this way, the resulting material is both stronger and more consistent. Spinning is the process that transforms raw wool into usable yarn, a crucial step in textile production. Traditionally, spinning was performed by hand using tools like the spindle and spinning wheel, requiring skill and patience to draw out and twist fibers into thread. In contrast, modern spinning methods utilize advanced machinery, allowing for faster and more consistent production. Despite technological advancements, the fundamental principle remains the same: aligning and twisting wool fibers to create strong, continuous yarn. This transformation is essential for producing a wide range of woolen goods, from clothing to home textiles. Dyeing and finishing are essential steps that enhance the appeal and functionality of wool products. Through various dyeing techniques, manufacturers can achieve vibrant colors and intricate patterns, catering to diverse consumer preferences. Finishing processes, such as softening, shrink resistance, and water repellent treatments, further improve the performance and comfort of wool textiles. These innovations not only increase the versatility of wool, but also expand its applications in fashion, interiors, and technical uses. By investing in advanced dyeing and finishing methods, the industry continues to add significant value to wool products. Processed wool is widely valued for its adaptability across various fields. In textiles, it is commonly used to create garments such as sweaters, suits, and blankets, prized for their warmth and durability. Wool also plays a significant role in crafts, where its unique texture makes it ideal for felting, knitting, and weaving projects. Beyond clothing and crafts, wool finds industrial applications in insulation materials and soundproofing, thanks to its natural resilience. Its renewable nature and biodegradability further highlight wool's sustainability, making it a responsible choice for diverse uses. Maximizing wool yield and quality begins with selecting healthy, high-performing sheep breeds suited to your region. Regular shearing, proper nutrition, and attentive health care all contribute to stronger, cleaner wool fibers. Sustainable practices, such as rotational grazing and maintaining pasture biodiversity, help preserve soil health and reduce environmental impact. Smart farm management includes monitoring flock genetics, keeping detailed records, and using technology to track animal welfare. By combining these strategies, farmers can achieve consistent, high-quality wool production while supporting long-term sustainability. In summary, wool harvesting begins with careful shearing to ensure the safety and comfort of the sheep. The raw fleece is then cleaned and sorted, removing impurities and categorizing fibers by quality. Processing continues with carding, spinning, and sometimes dyeing, transforming the wool into usable yarn or fabric. By following these essential steps and embracing best practices, producers can achieve high-quality results and maintain the welfare of their animals. Adopting proven techniques not only improves efficiency, but also supports sustainable and successful wool production.